So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view the mutual funds market here on Yahoo Finance. So the first thing you have to do is open up Yahoo Finance. Once that is done, go to the bottom right and press on the Markets tab. Once you're on the markets tab, you can either go to the top here and edit your region. So I'm going to go ahead and stick with the US region for this, for example. But if you wanted to view the Europe stock market, just press on Europe and it works the exact same way. So as I mentioned before, I'll go back to the US stock market right here. Then just scroll this all the way to the bottom, until you come across an option that says right here, mutual funds. So here on the mutual fund screen, you can view a whole bunch of different mutual funds that are sort of in your region. So there's a whole bunch of different mutual funds numbers right here you can sort of check the market for. If, for example, if you're looking for the CIBC money market, you can just go ahead here and press on CIBC money market and then view the market right here through this mutual fund. So fairly straightforward, but this is how to view the mutual funds market here on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.